Testosterone, the hormone that defines masculinity. But what if I told you that many men are unknowingly experiencing low testosterone without realizing it? Are you feeling sluggish, tired, or just not yourself? You might blame stress or lack of sleep, but the real culprit could be something else entirely: low testosterone. Today, we're diving deep into this silent issue, uncovering 5 telltale signs of low testosterone and, most importantly, how to naturally boost your levels. So stick around, because what you're about to learn could change your life. Testosterone isn't just about aggression or building muscle. It's a vital hormone that affects your energy, mood, sex drive, muscle growth, and even bone density. If your testosterone levels drop too low, you might experience symptoms that affect your daily life, making you feel like a shadow of your former self. The problem? Many men don't recognize these changes as signs of low testosterone. Let's take a closer look at the 5 key symptoms you should watch out for. 1. Low libido. Major red flag is a sudden drop in your sex drive. If intimacy just doesn't excite you anymore, your testosterone levels could be plummeting. This hormone plays a key role in sexual desire, and without enough of it, your interest in romance can take a serious hit. 2. Unexplained weight gain. Are you gaining weight, particularly around your midsection, despite staying active? Low testosterone makes it harder for your body to burn fat and build muscle. So if you've noticed stubborn fat hanging around your belly, your T levels might be to blame. 3. Constant fatigue, feeling exhausted no matter how much sleep you get? Low testosterone can drain your energy, making even simple tasks feel like a struggle. If you find yourself needing extra coffee just to get through the day, it could be a sign that your hormones are out of balance. 4. Erectile dysfunction. This is a tough one to talk about, but it's an important sign. Testosterone plays a major role in maintaining healthy blood flow and function in that department. If you're experiencing difficulties, it could be time to check your T levels. Or 5. Loss of muscle mass and strength. Have your workouts started to feel pointless? If you're lifting the same weights but not seeing results, or even worse, losing muscle, low testosterone might be interfering with your progress. If any of these signs sound familiar, don't panic. The good news is there are natural ways to turn things around. All right, now that we've identified the problem, let's focus on the solution. Here are 4 proven ways to naturally boost testosterone and reclaim your energy, strength, and confidence. 1. Exercise like you mean it. Strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, have been scientifically proven to increase testosterone levels. Heavy compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses stimulate testosterone production. So if you've been skipping leg day, it's time to rethink that. 2. Eat testosterone-friendly foods. Your diet plays a crucial role in hormone production. Load up on foods rich in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Think eggs, fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens. Oysters and pomegranates are best to increase testosterone naturally. Avoid processed junk and excessive sugar, as they can lower testosterone levels. 3. Get quality sleep. Did you know that most testosterone production happens while you sleep? Poor sleep quality can dramatically reduce your levels. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep every night. Trust me, your body will thank you. And 4. Manage stress and cortisol levels. Chronic stress leads to high cortisol levels, which can suppress testosterone production. Activities like meditation, yoga, and even spending time outdoors can help reduce stress and keep your hormones balanced. So there you have it. Testosterone is essential for men's health, and recognizing the signs of low levels is the first step toward taking control of your well-being. Remember the 5 warning signs: low libido, weight gain, constant fatigue, erectile dysfunction, loss of muscle mass, and the 4 ways to naturally boost your testosterone: strength training and HIIT, eating testosterone-friendly foods, prioritizing sleep, managing stress. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, try making these lifestyle changes, and you might just feel like a brand new man. Have you noticed any of these signs in yourself? Or have you tried any of these natural methods to boost testosterone? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into optimizing your testosterone levels naturally. Stay strong, stay healthy, and take control of your life.